Weird things to see in a nature documentary.
Oh, yeah. Make a cub, that's it. Make a cub.
Weird things to see in a nature documentary.
The rare Amazonian butterfly is the only one. No. Oh!
Bad ways to impress your date.
I was the inspiration for Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Worst person to sit next to in a movie theater.
This is my wife's favorite movie.
Unlikely things to hear on a morning show.
So, Hoda, last night I made love to Brad Sherwood.
What?
Yes, I did.
It's midnight.